Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys in the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY. We have a very important CPI inflation report coming in this Wednesday. The reason why this is very important is because we are wondering if the Fed is going to have a decrease in rate hikes coming up. Because again, when Powell spoke recently, he gave us no guidance leading into September's Fed rate hike. So our question is, are we going to have an anticipation on a decrease in Fed rate hikes if we do get that decrease in CPI this Wednesday? That is the watch of the week. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. What is our bullish case and what is our bearish case? What kind of momentum do we have right now and what exactly are we looking for? Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, as you guys can see, again, we have been tracking our bear flag here, and we did break out of this bear flag to the upside. However, we are testing our previous area of balance here that we are looking to see if we can continue on past. Again, we are leading to CPI this Wednesday. If we do get a decrease in CPI, then we can continue here. We're going to see if we do continue on a decrease in CPI or if we do get an increase in CPI. Again, our jobs report in pre-market on Friday was almost twice as big as it was expected. So that does give the Fed more room to increase in Fed rate hikes. So our question going into this Wednesday is if we're going to have an increase in CPI along with our increase in jobs report. Again, that gives the Feds more room to give increases in Fed rate hikes. Now we're going to be looking at our strength here. As you guys can see, we do have our 20-day moving average that is crossing back over our 50, where we're looking to see if we can continue to respect it. We bounced off of our 50, and as you guys can see, we now have our 20 crossing over our 50. However, as you guys can see on our strength, again, this is our MACD. We do have that decrease in buy pressure. Although we do have our EMA lines pointing up, we are not breaking above our previous buy pressure points quite yet. So we are not having that major push. We are, again, decreasing in buy pressure. Again, we are looking for that increase in a solid green bar and that continuation here on buy pressure. We do have our EMA lines above the median or MACD, which is, again, very bullish. We want to see if we do continue here. Again, breaking above this area of balance is going to be very key. Playing into it is totally up to you, but again, the play was always our bullish divergence that we mentioned back here. Again, on the RSI, as you guys can see, we had our bullish divergence. We had higher lows here on the RSI, as we had lower lows here on our price action, showing us that reverse in momentum. So again, that was our bullish divergence. We did mention when we did continue on higher here that we would be indecisive at this point in time. So again, we are very indecisive. As you guys can see on the SPY, we are getting somewhat of lower lows here, and we also are getting that rejection jumping into overbought territory. So we're looking to see if we can, again, point up, again, break above our previous high here, and then break into overbought territory for that room to run to the upside. That is exactly what we're looking for here on our relative strength. So just staying cautious, as this could be a rejection at this area of balance for a possible retest on our 20-day moving average. And if we do continue on lower, again, respecting this major pullback that we had, even though we did have a bounce back, we need to make sure we do consider it, because if we do continue on with that strength to the downside, then that could be a major pullback. We're going to make sure we are careful, but making sure we do get that confirmation again on an increase in buy pressure here, breaking above, again, our previous area of balance, as we are getting that increase in buy pressure here on the MACD will be very key. And if you do want to set an alert here on the SPY to get that confirmation on that continuation and just showing that the market has a lot of strength, you could set that alert here. You click the plus sign here on the right on TradingView, you click add alert, and then you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point, so that way you can be confirmed. And we also use this for a lot of volatile plays that we mentioned in the Intables every single day. Again, if you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, major breakouts that we mentioned every single day in the Intables room, we had over a 500% breakout with MEGL, which wasn't much of a alert because it was an IPO and it just ran 500%, actually 5,000% from IPO, from $4, jumping up over $250 on the day. That was a crazy breakout. And again, all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys just staying patient, taking what the market gives us like we do every single day. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.